Welcome to day 3. I'm about 60 hours into a fast. Weighed in at 174.6 pounds this morning. Badminton does wonders for me. I'm feeling good. I don't feel any muscle soreness anywhere, and the brain fog has lifted. It's normal to feel cold while fasting. It's harder to do in winter, easier in the summer. We're getting into extended fasting territory. Between 3 to 5 days is the sweet spot because at that point, we've unlocked a whole bunch of other health benefits. We're giving a break to our cells. They're being repaired in a process known as autophagy. When there's nothing in the process, our cells turn over its internal machinery. Our mitochondria, the cell's powerhouse, are replacing their engines, fine-tuning, and completing long overdue maintenance. Our gut bacteria, the microbiome, are being reset. This improves our immune function, mental health, mood, behavior, cognition, and even preference for food choices. Cancer cells struggle to grow without glucose. Healthy cells can adapt by using ketones as an energy source. You're starving cancer. I'm going to keep it going for another day. Peace out.